Hey guys, welcome to another video. We're going to talk about how to add images to our screen now. So let's go ahead and get started. New application. I'll call it My Photos and hit next and create. Perfect. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing is first. We might want to get some images added in here too before we could do that. So let's do this. Let me add some images. So you can add your own images while doing this. I'm going to add some in here under my photos. Copy in there, finish. We will probably rename it. Don't mind me. These are my things I like to do. We'll call it image 1. And let's find some other pictures. Let's add this one in here. This is a classic. I'll call it image 2. Alright, where's that? That one right there. That's how tall I am. So you can see the cabin wasn't the greatest for me. Image 2. Alright, let's see if I can find some other images. I like to take pictures in front of wineries. So let's add this image in here. This will be image 3. So we'll call it image 3. There we go. And let's see how many other images. We'll need a few more images, so let's find some more. So when we're doing this video, you can make your own image if you like. Let's see here. All right. I'll add this image in here. I'll make this image 5. What else? They're all me, sorry. Let's see if I can find another one. Alright, we'll add this one in here. This is a vineyard. Create. This will be image 6. This is a good one. This is just a vineyard. Alright, perfect. So we'll start off with these 6 images. Alright, so now let's go ahead and click storyboard. So in this demo, you can use whatever images that you want to use within this exercise, okay? Let's get a label out here. And let's drag it across, center it. We'll call it My Photos. Alright, perfect. So now we need to get the image view. Move this up here a little bit. Let's see if this works. Image view, where's my image view at? Alright, there we go, image view. So let's go ahead and, these guys will have their own thing going here. Let's add another image view. Let's size these up a little bit so we can fit 2 images together, back to back. Sure it's across there, so I want to make sure those guys are together. Let's throw in a text view. Let me see if I find text view right. No, not text field. Let's see if this is what I want. This is not what I want. I want a text field. I want a text view. Where is the text view at? Oh, here it is. So it has this crazy stuff language in it. I don't know what that is, but we'll change that information around. And then we'll add some other image views over here. We'll add some smaller ones. Alright, here we go. And what we're going to do with these ones, we're going to kind of make them a little bit smaller if we can. They're gonna look really. Could copy and paste. Oops, we can copy and paste them if we wanted to, but that's another idea that you can do here. So let's see if we could make these guys. So I'm making sure it's up a line against that line like that. And making sure these guys are parallel from each other. So that's what I'm trying to go for. So it's just, this right here is time consuming, but it's kind of a fun feature to do. So we'll probably want to make this about that size here. Perfect, we're almost there. Oops, we have to put it underneath because it doesn't want to allow us in the space because the space is too small. So we will then pull this guy here. Pull that guy there. Perfect. All right, cool. So let's go up here and choose an image. So we've already selected our guy, so I'll do image 1 here. Ugh, that looks really bad. So I might want to see how I do that. It looks a little funky because I have, so I'm going to have to make that one smaller because of the type of picture I have in there. Same with this. You see how it's like, that picture is like a horizontal, so I could probably add another one up here if I want to. Let's see if we can do that. You know what I should have did is, let's add, yeah, okay, so the thing is you have to make sure, because I was too chubby in that one, I like to say. All right, so this one probably won't look that great. That one looks crazy, but that's all right. We get the gist of what we're trying to accomplish here. Let's see, image 6. That one will probably look good because of the vineyard. So let's find a couple more images here. Actually going to see what I can find. Alright, let's see here. Alright, I found nothing yet. Well, I find some wine barrels. This will be perfect. So I'll throw that over here and we'll call that image 7. Because that is a nice one because it's a side view, so it doesn't matter how wide it is, it should fit in pretty much everything at that point. So let's see what else I can find here. Alright, so let's add my family. I should be able to do the same thing here. So this is image H. This is my family. My kids. Alright, so let's see here. Let's go back to storyboard. Alright, so now we have this image here. We're gonna add image 8, 7. Perfect. And then the last one will be image 8. Perfect. Alright, awesome. So we got something going here. So now, you know, we're building this stack view. We're not gonna worry about the text in there, which is some language. I don't know what it is. But now we have this little section going here with our screens. All right, so let's go ahead and add some. We're just designing the interface that we want. So we're gonna add some labels, some buttons, the whole 9 yards. So let's go back down here. So we have a lot going on with this screen right here. All right, so let's hit label. We'll add a few labels here. Let's center it. Perfect. Let's actually see if we'll copy it. Oh, it's not gonna let me do it. Let's do edit. All right, so I guess I lied. All right, now let's do paste. So you see what I did is I just copy and paste that same one. So I could just put it next to each other somewhere, and I could do the same thing. I could probably just paste it somewhere. Oops. Perfect. See, when you put it up there, it puts it in that same spot. So we'll have to paste another one in there. We'll want to change the names here eventually, but for now we'll just keep it as is. Perfect. This guy looks kind of far away. Perfect. So now we need some buttons. So let's just add a couple buttons here. Add a button here somewhere in the center. Add another button here. We'll change the values around and whatever they're going to be accomplishing. And then we're going to add some more images down here too. So we're adding a lot of stuff on this screen. This is a good screen. So let's see here. And we're going to have to make this smaller, obviously. So we could do the same thing here. We could edit, copy, edit, paste. And we could edit, paste again. And let's see if we get a fourth one on there. Probably not. We're taking up too much room. Ah, look at that. Maybe if we move this over a little bit. Because we now have some white space between it. Perfect. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but it's there. Okay, so now as you see, we're building some interface. Now, we're gonna need more images though. So this time, instead of using my stuff, let's go out and find some images on the internet. So let's look up South Dakota. Let's do South Dakota, just in general, image. Black Hills. All right, one of my favorite places to go to is Mount Rushmore. Love that place. That image is pretty big, but we'll save it. Mount Rushmore. That's my downloads. All right, another place I like is Los Angeles, Hollywood. So we will. You go here. It's a whole different world. So we'll use the Hollywood sign here. This is awesome. So we'll call this Hollywood. Perfect. And we need a couple more images. So now we did Hollywood. We need Seattle. I mean, come on, Seattle. You know what's going to come up. Yep, that guy right there. If you ever have the opportunity to do this, this is pretty fun too. So this is the Space Needle. I have the shirt on right now. Download. And lastly, we need one more awesome city. We will go with the awesome New York City. So New York City. All these are good. You know what's fun is the Freedom Tower. You can see everything. Recommend it. And I'll put NYC. Now I gotta find these images because I probably forgot what I'm looking for here. Show all. So let's do this. Let me find them in my finder here. So here's New York City. I'll add it in. Space Needle. Add it in. Hollywood. Add it in. And then lastly, I'll add Mount Rushmore. Perfect. All right, so now we have to go up here and choose an image, and I can just choose whatever. Hollywood. We'll choose Mount Rushmore. I actually drove the Mount Rushmore from Pennsylvania. It was a 20-some hour drive. Fun drive. Not really. All right, and Space Needle is the last one. All right, perfect. And now we have to color. We're gonna color these buttons here shortly as well. So let me pause this for a second. All right, so lastly, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna change some of the sizes with this stuff. So let's increase. Well, let's go back down here to button. So let's give it some type of value name. We'll say, you know, let's pretend we're on Instagram. We'll say post our image. Maybe we'll put like an image, or maybe purge an image. Oops. Purge. All right, so the other thing is we want to put some type of color behind it. So background color, we don't want, well, you could use an image if you want to, but that's not gonna look too great, to be honest with you. So let's see, background, we don't want to do that. Let's see here, don't want image, background, see. So let's do this. Come down here and choose a different color. Choose that, maybe that's a good color for a background. Maybe they don't want to work today. Let's choose. That won't look good at all. Yeah, that's fine. Even though we have blue font there, but whatever. That's fine. We're just playing around here. And oops, I wanted to cancel and do this guy here again. Perfect. These labels, they should be lined up better. There we go. Let's change the labels. We could change them to a font. You could make it bolder, but I'll leave it like that. The only thing I'm gonna do here is probably increase the size a little bit. Perfect, my photos. All right, so we have everything lined up accordingly, so let's see if it actually runs. Oh, let's see if it runs. Succeeds. Perfect, our stuff comes up. It's a little sloppy a little bit. We'll have to align it up accordingly to make it fit properly. But I just wanted to kind of give you an idea how we could put images, we could put buttons on the screen, use alignment a little bit. So these are different scenarios that we could do. So that's it with this video. I just wanted to give you an example how to add some images, how to make a little bit of a view. We'll just have to line it better. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks.